Okay. Very quickly. I need to go characters, inventory, inventory slots. I need to check now because now we have a slot in here. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Combat's actually okay. So these are the slots. There's a couple things. I think this is already checked. This is already fine. This just checks to make sure it's blank. So we don't need this. But we need to know where we're dragging from and where we're dropping. So there needs to be logic that, eesh, this is from, I need to figure out a way to make this more generalizable, more, I don't know, code that works in multiple places without itself having to be replaced. There's a word for it. I can't remember right now. I'm just going to move this over here just so it's linear. So if it's a blank slot, if it's not, it's here. So this is replacing field slots. This is replacing blank slots. So this is easy. You check. Oh, this is actually an okay check. So check, is the character inventory grid? Yes. Go there. No? Is it the target inventory grid? Go here. Well, I'm gonna have another check. If it's not, then I'm just gonna copy this stuff and I'm just gonna paste it here. And we're gonna say, if not, then go here. Excuse me, I'm just gonna comment this so I know. Drop to equipped item slot. And actually, I don't want to, I guess I want the, yeah, it makes sense. I'm probably still gonna do this functionality. See, I think there's some shit in here I can delete that I don't need. Old stuff that I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not, so I kept the extras. I think we've purged most. Cool. Okay, so I am actually gonna need to do both. This is a little harder, but we can do it tomorrow. Let's see if I can get this done in a second. Drop to equipped item slot. We'll say blank. And if it's filled, then I guess we swap. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know how that's gonna work. Maybe we'll just do that. I think we'll just do this. Yeah, because like if I'm holding something, I can't just move something into it. I have to fucking move it out and then move it in. And that's how fucking life works. I can't put something where something else is. So we'll go to the character. We'll read. We don't need this. This is not actually what I want. I want this because it's closer to what I'm going to be doing. Instead, we're going to do the index of whatever parent it is. Is the parent this? Is the parent that? If not, we go here. We'll do a Boolean just and I mean it's not really needed, it's fine. If not, actually we'll do a check just to make sure. So what is it called? No. Inventory. It's called equipped items inv grid. Equals literal string equipped items in grid. What? Okay. We need this guy. We need to get name, object name. I know I was already on it, but I just wanted to type properly for practice. Equals. Oh, sorry. It's triple because it's a string. Is it that? If it is, then go to the character. get this guy, get not the held items, but the equipped items. Equipped items. Update that. Set that element of the equipped items to be that index. Well, in this case, there's only going to be one, so that's fine. And that works. So, I wonder? It'd be cool if that worked off the bat. Look at that! It's also a different area, so this isn't going to work. It doesn't have stacking behavior yet. This is where it checks a bunch of things. So it checks to see if you're overfill. Like if I have an item that stacks up to 5 and I have 4 here and I have 2 here, there's a bunch of checks in here that say, is this greater than the maximum stack? If it is, put 1 there to max the stack to top it off, and then put the extra back where you got it from. So I have 2 and 4. Boom. Now it becomes 5 and 1. Or 5 and 1, 5 and 1. It doesn't change. Or 5 and 1, 1 and 5. It adds, here we go. So it adds these over and tops the thing off. If it doesn't, then if it's 2 and 1, it just adds it and then removes it. There's a bunch of checks in here because there are different conditions and different things that it could technically be. We could also do the inventory on drop just to go ahead and fix this. Is it not within these places? So we could say this. I could say or Boolean. And then I could take this and say not any of these. And then we could get all of these, copy these. The values here are something. Oh, mouse location. That's what these are. What is this? Mouse X. And then mouse Y. I'm just going to do this just to test. This is fine. I don't think I need anything else. X and Y. We're going to do the widget. We're going to do the target's inventory grid. Oh, no, it shouldn't be this. It should be there's character, there's inventory grid, and then there's equipped items grid because this is the inventory. Get that and make sure that none of these are true. I think that might prevent it from dropping on the floor now. If I drop it to that slot. No, not yet. Why not? So either of these. Are these values good? Thought they would be good, maybe not for some reason. Equipped item, we get the size. We say, is the mouse within range of its X and its Y? Do this, drop it, transform, take the item from where it is, drop it on the ground. This is old version. So that's Y, and that's X. That's X. And that's Y as well. This and this, this and this. Let's see if it ever happens now. So if we go take this guy, we drop it here, we drop it there. It still drops on the ground. If we do if it's any of these, or it's any of these, so I need to get it and say, only if it is not any of these. This, oh, we can just add the pin. I think maybe this logic is just bad. That. And then, unless there's some special reason why it wouldn't work. And that logic still technically work, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. I mean, the logic still made sense. Drag and drop, on drop. It gets the mouse. Equipped items inventory grid. Let me see what the difference is here. Yeah, these are all the grid. Equipped items inventory grid. I don't really know why it's not working right now. Can't be any of these. Let's see if the if this still works. Still works. Don't know why that is. So we'll say doesn't work yet. Don't know. The item slot, we can put items there now, which is cool. We can basically equip items. And then here, does it implement the interface? Does what? If not, if it does, and if it doesn't. I'm gonna have to check to look at what this means. But that's about to be here in a sec, so co-op game dev, time to go.